miles an hour. Tonight, clear.
God dang it. Bro, what?
The proceeding was a test of the National Weather Service Emergency Warning System from Atlanta, KEC80.
Both the recoms are muted.
This test is conducted at approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation,
Damn.
the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch or warning. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of your transmitter. This area includes the following counties in the Atlanta listening area: Cherokee, Clayton, Cobb, DeKalb, Douglas, Fayette, Forsyth, Fulton, Gwinnett, Henry, Newton, Rockdale, and Walton. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting. Here is the official forecast from your National Weather Service for the Atlanta listening area. Today, sunny. Highs in the mid-60s. Northwest winds 10 to 20 miles an hour. Tonight, clear. Lows around 40. North winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday, sunny. Highs in the upper 60s.
Do I always get it?
East winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.
Oh.
Thursday night, clear. Lows in the mid-40s.
That's the alert reminder.
Light and variable winds.
That's cool.
And now the extended forecast. Friday and Friday night, mostly cloudy. A 30% chance of showers. Highs in the mid-70s. Lows in the upper 50s. Saturday and Saturday night, partly cloudy.
Wait, I already got that one. Which one did I not get?
30% chance of showers and thunderstorms.
Yes.
Highs in the mid-70s. Lows in the lower 50s.
Why would I even think
Sunday and
about
Sunday
disabling
night,
this one?
showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 70s.
That was very dumb.
Lows in the lower 50s. Monday through Tuesday night, mostly clear. Highs in the mid-70s. Lows in the lower 50s. For more detailed weather, water, and climate